Good morning from Vietnam. If you're new here, my name is Toren and I'm traveling with my 3 best friends down here in Southeast Asia. They are now sleeping, but we have been in Vietnam for 2 days now and I'm going to tell you what's been going down. So, the first night we stayed in Ho Chi Minh City, but here we were just walking around and had no plan, nothing to do. We don't really like cities, so there wasn't much to do for us there. We've now been sitting here for half an hour and we have no clue what to do in Ho Chi Minh City. Traveling! After just walking around, we decided just to hop on a bus and drive to a place we didn't know where. We've been walking around Ho Chi Minh for the past 5-6 hours, and since we don't have a place to live, we decided to just take a sleeping bus from, where are we? Here to here. So yeah, and that's how you do backpacking. So we did, we jumped on an 8-hour sleeping bus. This is our hotel for the night, which wasn't a lot of sleeping when there was a screaming baby on there. Then we met some backpackers that were sitting behind us, and they said this city had sand dunes that you could ride quad bikes in. So we jumped off, and this is what happened. Remember when I told you that we were taking a bus from Ho Chi Minh to Nha Trang? Yeah, we changed our plans. And now, it is 2 AM here. We do not have a place to live. And we're just walking the street and trying to find a hotel or hostel to live in. That is smart backpacking, kids. That is how you backpack. Backpacking approved. Good job. But we literally don't know where we are. Okay.
Can we get a room?
Yeah, no, we haven't booked. Full?
All full?
Okay. Think we found a hotel. We're gonna check. Well, 2 million. That did not work out. So, then we keep going. Woohoo! Try to find a hotel. We need to find a place to live. 'Cause we are homeless people in Vietnam. Everybody sing with me. We got a new hostel we're gonna try.
You have a room?
You have a room? We found a place to live. Finally. We found beds to sleep in. And now we're here. This is the place we found yesterday at night. But today we have a really exciting day. We all rented scooters for the whole day and we're gonna explore this part of Vietnam. And then we are driving an hour away to find some sand dunes and then rent quad bikes and tread the sand dunes. So that's what we're gonna do today. Tuve's moped is already broken down, but we found a workshop that they can fix it. Alrighty then, let's go, boys! white sand dunes of Vietnam. Holy, look at that. Oh, and there's a chicken, a cow. Yay. It is finally time to rent a quad bike and go to the sand dunes. Woo! It's coming, baby. I can't wait! Oh shit. That was a sick day. The best part is we have 3 months more to travel. So if you enjoyed that, we will be posting every single week. So hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.
See ya.